this is Cricket coming to you today with a sticker haul from Plan and Go. This is a company that I PR for. And so you can use Cricket 25 and you can get 25% off. It right here is so adorable. Let me get it right here. It's all fun and games until Santa checks the naughty list. Now how cute is that? So there's your full boxes, your washi, bottom washi and glitter washies with Coffee Monday, laundry, stocking, and candy canes. Your day covers with date dots, weekend banner, your Monday through Sunday sidebar bill dues, 3 line checkbox, habit trackers, appointment boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, and headers with glitter headers, and then full check boxes with half check boxes, flags, and 2 flags. And then it came with this week, next week, planning time, 2 headers, and then all of your icons right here. How cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, this one came with it as well. And this is the second set that I got. Full boxes, and it says fa la 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 la. Love it. So cute. And then I love this bottom washi in glitter washi. Your day covers with your weekend banner and sidebar and date dots, habit trackers. Your half boxes, quarter boxes, and headers. Your full check boxes with flags and half check boxes. And then I ordered the day covers with the little reindeer, Monday through Sunday. And then I ordered, I have a friend that believes in Bigfoot, so I got her these to surprise her. It says Hide and Seek World Champion. He exists. I saw him, I believe. Thought that was cute. And then here are some clipboard check boxes, and I love the dots that fill in right here. Once you get it done, you can put those little dots in there. And then I got the pink laundry. Awesome stuff. Go check her out. She has got beautiful stuff. She is forever doing sales as well. Use Cricket 25 for 25% off. Get you some goodies and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Look at this cute stuff. Come on, y'all. Go check her out. This is adorable. All right. Catch you later.